What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to do a pilot bearing out of a K-series with bread. First you're going to do is you're going to shove bread into, I've already had most of this started already, but you're going to shove bread into the crank hole where the input shaft sits. Then you're also going to shove bread into the socket, and I use a 9/16 socket. That's what I used the last time as well. Stick the socket into the hole and just start hammering away. And as you can see, a pilot bearing. There's all the bread. You have to clean that all up. Use brake cleaner and stuff when you put the clutch back on. That way you know you're not rubbing the oil off at the very moment. And you're ready to go.